Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. I am filming in a different space than I am used to, so hopefully it sounds okay and it looks okay. I'm going to be filming a couple videos because I'm really behind, and then I'll try to make adjustments. So if something's weird about this one, just hang tight and it'll probably be fixed soon. I also had pre-filmed a few videos in my office, but those are going up. So you'll see those and you'll see the old background, the purple background. I had to get a new background because my old one was too narrow and it wouldn't cover everything in the back. So new camera, I'm actually filming on my phone instead of my iPad like I have been doing. New space, new backdrop, so some of it will go back to normal starting again in the fall, but since I'm not on campus, I'm not going to be filming in my office because I would just go to my office to film without anything else to do. Enough of an intro. Today I am going to do an Ipsy versus Ipsy because this month I really loved the bags and I wanted to get two different colored bags. And so let's just go into them. This is my original Ipsy that I had upgraded to an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, what my bag was. And so I got the purple one. It has the cute little Tetris handle on it. And I can't remember which one of these I did as an add-on. I did one as an add-on and one came in the box, but they are in the bag. These are the Tetris brushes. And I got, I think they're both like shader brushes, fluffy brushes. They're very cute. One's purple, one's blue. They're pretty much exactly the same, but they have square. I didn't realize the handles would be more square than they are. So I got those. One was an add-on, one wasn't. The other thing that I did as an add-on was this Tetris and Ipsy lip balm. And I had meant to do the palette, and I don't know why I didn't do the palette. I somehow missed it. But this is what the lip balm looks like. And it's, I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, I guess you probably can. It's purple on the center, which was interesting. I wasn't expecting that. And then it doesn't really show up as anything. It's just a very light color. It does seem to be very movable. I don't know if you can see in there all of the lip balm that's already on the side. So I got that because I just thought it was cute and I liked the Tetris stuff, but I didn't want to buy the entire set. That was just a little too much, and now it's sold out, so I don't have to worry about it. So rest of the goodies in here, the first thing I'm pulling out is from Hey Honey. I love Hey Honey. It is the Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. So that will be interesting. I don't know about this type of a mask, but I do like Hey Honey. It is sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed because I have so many masks that I'm trying to work through, all of the open ones first and then working through the other stuff. The next thing in here is a black volume cream water capping system from Neogen, code 9. And I think this is for your hair. Let's get out the little thing. Oh, this will tell me what one I got. So the purple one was in my bag and the blue one is the one that I added on. I forgot we have these new things this time. All right, so this is, no, it's for your skin's concerns. Oh, it's a moisturizer for your skin. That's weird. I do not need any more moisturizers. It is sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed because I do have a lot of moisturizers as well. Next in here is from Cake Beauty. This is a lip fondant and it says it's in the shade Sweet Tooth. I'm going to unwrap the plastic from this one, but I will tell you that I'm not going to keep this one. I am not a big fan of this formula. I did have another one that I got. I did it as an add-on actually, I think a long time ago. It was a very similar shade to this, but that's what it looks like. I wasn't a big fan of the formula, so I will pass that along. Then we have, I guess, the last thing. I feel like we went through that really fast. It is English Laundry Oxford Blue Femme. It is a perfume. I love perfumes. Always excited to get one. And this is a pretty good size. So that's nice. Oh, it smells good. I do like English Laundry. I have a couple of their other roller balls or travel size ones. So that was my Ipsy. This is my new Ipsy. That was my old one, but I upgraded it to Glam Bake Plus. And then this one here, this is the one that I had when they started the Ipsy Glam Bake Plus. And I did do some add-ons. This one is covered in stickiness, which is kind of gross, but I don't know if you can see that. I got an extra CEO by Sunday Riley because this was $12, and I like this moisturizer, but I would not pay $65 for that moisturizer. And then I got the same bag, which is super disappointing. I did check on this bag because I got it and it was opened. It was not sealed, but all my stuff seems to be in here. So I was really sad that I got two of the same bags. I was hoping for two different colors because they had a whole bunch of them. They had, well, it doesn't really show you. I was hoping it would show on there. But in here, let's see, my add-ons. I got this. This is from Nature Natural and Moisturizer. It's a 2-pack of masks. This one is aqua, and it's supposed to have, they're like a 3-step. So your first step is an ampule, and then you have the sheet mask, and then you have like a moisturizer at the end. So I got a moisturizing and a brightening, which this one I'm really excited about. Those were a $3 add-on. And then this was the other one I got, which were another sheet mask, which looked interesting. And it is the Sweet Honey Bear Face Mask and the Raccoon Aqua Moisture Face Mask. All right, I had some of that stickiness on my hands. I had to get it off. The first thing in my bag, which didn't really come in my bag, but are 2 pharmacy masks. I have a hydrating one and a brightening one. They are the coconut gel, which doesn't seem to have a problem with, but I know like coconut water I sometimes break out with. All right, rest of the stuff in the bag. The first thing in here is from Numa. It is an instant fix that it says spray on damp hair. Let's see what's in here. So, okay, it's just like a leave-in spray treatment. So that's the first thing in there. I do like those. I will use those. Then I have a Tetris and Ipsy eyeshadow. And here we go. So it has this little blue, and then it is called Block Party. That is what it looks like. Now I do know I got a full-sized one of the eyeshadow palettes in my Ipsy Glam Bake Plus, which will be coming up soon. So I'm going to hang on and see if that's in that really fast, and then I'll come back and I'll swatch it for you. Next up is from Elizabeth Mott. This is an all-over shadow brush, which looks really nice. I have another Elizabeth Mott brush that I really like. And then the last thing here is from Sugar. It is a mini blush in Peach Peak. And this is what it looks like. The packaging isn't very even, which is kind of annoying, but wow, that's kind of a dark peach. I was thinking it was going to be something lighter for some reason. All right, that's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. We'll swatch it. It's a really pretty pale peach, but that seems pretty nice. I'll be right back. All right, spoiler alert. Block Party is in the palette that I got. So I'll show it to you one more time. That's what it looks like. And then I'll swatch it. I forgot to bring some cloths, so I'm gonna have to go get those after I film this. That's a really pretty color. It's a light shimmery shade, but those are my 2 Ipsys. It was an Ipsy versus Ipsy. I actually kind of feel, I wasn't super impressed with either of them, to be honest. My original one that I had canceled while I had upgraded, I liked that I got a perfume. I finally got a perfume. I haven't gotten a perfume with that one before. And then I was double checking I had them right. I like that. I don't like moisturizers, so I'm kind of disappointed that I got that. I said that I don't really want them because I have so many that I'm trying to use up. The mask is okay, but I have oily skin, so I don't know how much. I wouldn't use a yogurt mask because I feel like those are more, although it says it's supposed to be improve dull skin, so maybe that will be. That one's okay. I like the brush. I'm glad that I got the brush instead of another eyeshadow that doesn't match. But yeah, the half caked, I know I don't like that formula at all. I was kind of half and half on that one. The other one, sheet masks. Pharmacy I'm kind of excited for because that's a good brand, and to get 2 of those in my regular Ipsy is good. Like, that's the cost of the Ipsy bag right there. The blush is just kind of so-so. I'm not super excited about that. I am passing along the Tetris eyeshadow. It's a really pretty color though. I do like that. I would be more excited if I didn't already have it. And I like the brush and this. So I think my newer Ipsy that I've only had since October, I think they did a better job on that than the one that I'd had for 2 years before I upgraded. So I'm glad I canceled the second Ipsy, so you won't see 2 next month, so don't worry. We'll just do the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and the Ipsy in July. But let me know which bag you thought was better, which one you thought I should have canceled or kept. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. I can't wait to read your comments down below, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.